In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an intake form in Salesforce. This guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can set it up seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open your Salesforce account. You'll want to navigate to the top right corner of the interface where you can see the gear icon. This is your gateway to accessing all the configurations we'll need, so give it a click. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, you'll find yourself in the Setup area. This is where the magic happens. In the Setup menu, locate the Flows option. Flows are how we'll create the interactive, dynamic experience for our intake form, so make sure to click on that to proceed. After you're in the Flows section, the next move is to click on the New Flow button. This is going to allow us to start a fresh project for our intake form. When prompted to select a flow type, choose ScreenFlow and then hit Create. The ScreenFlow is crucial because it allows users to interact with your form visually within Salesforce. Now you should be looking at your flow canvas, which is currently empty. This is your workspace for designing the form. Take a moment to find the screen element in the toolbox on the left and drag and drop it onto the canvas. This step is essential as it will provide a tangible interface where users can input their details. Next comes adding the input fields. These are the fields where the respondent will enter their information. Think about what information you need, such as names, phone numbers, or emails, and incorporate those fields into your screen element. Make sure to arrange them in a logical order to enhance user experience. With your input fields in place, it's time to introduce a Create Records element onto the canvas. This feature will allow the data collected from the form to be stored in Salesforce. Drag it right next to your screen element to keep things organized. Choosing the correct object to store your data is vital. This could be leads, contacts, or custom objects, depending on your organization's needs. Make this selection thoughtfully and carefully as it determines where the data captured from your form will reside. Once you've selected your object, we move on to mapping. This involves linking the fields from your screen element to the fields within your chosen object. Mapping ensures that all captured data is transferred accurately and stored in the right location within Salesforce. Finally, let's save our flow. Be sure to give it a descriptive name so that it's easy to find and remember later on. After saving, take the critical step of activating the flow. Activating it means it's ready to be used. And there you have it. You've successfully created an intake form in Salesforce. Following these steps will make collecting and storing essential data straightforward and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and happy flow creating.